Hi friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian. I'm back from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, which is giving you multiple segments at factory cost where you can buy for online shopping and you can start your business with Kesaria Textiles. So today I brought for you exclusive varieties from most demanded cotton fabric, which is floral printed, and this unique floral printed collections everywhere and every state and every woman likes to wear it. So, and at my background also you can see here so much of bunches of stock here placed it, and these are the manufacturers. Any collections you take, you have a individual color options, you have a regular printed loose sarees. Every segment you can find out color chart, and at wholesale only you can purchase. So let's see today, as I said, the cotton sarees. Please watch this video till the end, and if you're really into a cotton fabric business of sarees, if you're looking for new collections, please watch this video and do online shopping and subscribe the channel for the regular updates where you can find out many more product videos and you can add into your business. So friends, you're watching here such a beautiful contrast green color with a brinjal color combination with highlighted as a sunflower based. This is such a beautiful printed collections of elegant collections you can buy from Kesaria, and you can see every saree, you can see the length of the saree meters and the saree code also. By this code you can mention in the online, you can communicate with our sales team and you can easily purchase. If I talk about the classy look for the official classy purpose, such a beautiful floral black with gray color combination with multi at the bottom highlighted of the floral print. And here is the pallu, where such a beautiful pallu you can see over here with a mini floral of maroon color printed highlighted in the border. And if I talk about the quality of the fabric, you never feel that quality issues, and you can see many more cotton fabrics of Chanderi, Malmal cotton, PC cotton, Jam cotton. These are all the cotton fabrics which are getting manufactured in Surat. And if I talk about the next saree, which is a dark orange color with combination of purple color with a casual print. So for the regular casual purpose also you can buy these varieties and you can add into your business. Every saree you will find out the different code of the saree, identification of the product to buy online easily. And if I talk about the next pattern, it's such a beautiful mini print of the floral, which is also a unique print of the classy look for office purpose, for teachers, lecturers, for the clerk job people, for the regular office wear. These collections will give you simple and classy, many more varieties you can add for the personal purchase also. You can add with the color chart, and if you're really interested to have a clothing business or clothing shop of cotton saree, you can directly tie up with Kesaria. So Kesaria is the biggest manufacturers, which is located at Surat, which is a ring road, Millennium Textile building 1, first floor. If you couldn't travel, the numbers are displayed on the screen where you can communicate with our team. And to communicate according to your language, they will communicate in the WhatsApp, just one WhatsApp call, voice call, you can have it. And all the products, the catalog chart, you can see through online the WhatsApp itself. You can select and you can do the payment also. So sea services, cargo services, NRA plus entire India we are providing. So 7 to 10 days you will receive your order. You from sitting your home, you can do online shopping and enjoy these collections with a cotton floral printed. And here is also collection, so yellow with magenta color with the dark contrast colors of these collections, and the checks pattern with dark maroon color with the green highlighted of the border. Every saree you will find out new varieties, and you will find out the photocopy of individual saree. And if example, there's a 4 colors is there, the 4 color chart with the same pattern of the floral. And here is a one more bunch over here. Every saree you can find out such a beautiful photocopy of the model shoot which wears, and then it goes to the packing and it will come to the counter. So this is the way the retailers, wholesalers, if you want to do a direct business according to your investment, you can directly walk in once. When you walk in once, when you touch the fabric, you can feel it. All doubts gets clear and you can do online shopping regular next time onwards. and we do provide you COD also, and you can do online payments. So easily to communicate from railway station, it's 10 minutes. From airport, you can also within half an hour you can reach to Kesaria Textile. So these floral printed only from the cotton fabric, very demanded, and all season time it runs and have good margin with the profit of business. So no need to wait anymore. I suggest everyone, retailers, go ahead for these online collections, place an order, see a profit, make your customers happy. So friends, I've shown you the samples of printed varieties of cotton sarees, just starts from 95 rupees. And if in market, when you go to buy a purchase cotton saree, at least approximately you have to keep some 300 rupees, right? So it's depend on the manufacturing price and the retailers, how you add the margin and you're selling your collections. So cotton is demanded, as I said. Please visit once Kesaria Textile Manufacturing, a place which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Market, building number 1, first floor. If you couldn't travel from your place, it's long distance, you can go ahead for online shopping. You can watch Instagram, you can watch YouTube channel, you can do online shopping. We do have a sales executives online and offline way. You can communicate according to your language. We do have all language sales executives. So there is a smooth communication where you have no issues, and even transport, shipping, India plus worldwide, we are providing you with safe and securely. So sea services, cargo services also, Kesaria Textile Manufacturers is giving you. Find out, please visit once, touch and feel the fabric, and go ahead for online shopping. Add new varieties according to your customers and make your customers happy. So this collections, if you really liked it, please place an order, and I request everyone, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Next video soon I'll come up with new collections. Till then, take care, keep supporting. Bye bye.